Cats, known for their distinct vocalizations, communicate with a range of sounds, from soft purrs to sharp meows, each serving a different purpose in their interactions with humans and other animals. One particular variation that often piques curiosity is when a cat meows with a raspy or hoarse voice. This type of vocalization can sound rough, strained, or breathy, and while it may seem unusual, it often has a specific cause tied to the cat's health, emotions, or environment. One of the primary reasons for a raspy meow is an underlying physical condition affecting the cat's respiratory system. Just as humans can lose their voice due to a cold, flu, or throat infection, cats can experience similar disruptions in their vocal cords or airways. Infections, such as upper respiratory infections, URIs, are common among cats and can lead to symptoms like nasal congestion, coughing, and a raspy meow. These infections are often caused by viruses or bacteria and can lead to inflammation or irritation of the vocal cords, resulting in a hoarser sound when the cat meows. Another possible cause of a raspy meow is laryngitis, which is the inflammation of the cat's larynx or voice box. Laryngitis can occur due to a variety of factors, such as viral or bacterial infections, excessive vocalization, or even exposure to irritants like smoke or strong chemicals. When the larynx becomes inflamed, the vocal cords may not vibrate as they should, causing the meow to sound rough and strained. In some cases, if a cat has been vocalizing excessively, whether from stress, anxiety, or trying to communicate a specific need, the constant use of its vocal cords can lead to temporary hoarseness. Just like humans might develop a sore throat after shouting or talking loudly for an extended period, a cat's voice can become raspy after prolonged vocalization. Stress or anxiety can also play a significant role in vocal changes. Cats are sensitive to their environment, and any changes in their routine, surroundings, or the presence of new people or animals can trigger stress-induced behaviors. Some cats may begin to vocalize more frequently as a way to express their discomfort. And this increased vocalization can put a strain on their vocal cords, leading to a raspy meow. Similarly, a cat that is feeling insecure or threatened may meow in a more frantic, strained manner, which can cause the voice to sound raspy. Allergies can also contribute to a raspy meow. Cats, like humans, can develop allergies to various environmental triggers, such as pollen, dust mites, or certain foods. These allergies can lead to congestion, coughing, and irritation in the throat, which may result in a raspy meow. Cats with allergies may also exhibit other symptoms, such as sneezing, watery eyes, or excessive grooming. Another less common but important consideration is the possibility of more serious health issues, such as tumors or growths in the throat or vocal cords. Although rare, growths or polyps can cause changes in a cat's voice, leading to a raspy or hoarse meow. If a cat's raspy meow persists for an extended period or is accompanied by other signs of illness, such as difficulty breathing, loss of appetite, or lethargy, it is important to seek veterinary attention for further evaluation. In some cases, older cats may develop changes in their vocalization as part of the aging process. As cats grow older, they can experience changes in their muscles, joints, and organs, including those involved in vocalization. These changes can result in a softer, raspy, or even quieter meow. While this may not necessarily be a cause for concern, it is important to monitor any changes in your cat's vocal behavior and seek veterinary advice if the raspy meow is accompanied by other symptoms. Environmental factors can also influence a cat's vocalization. For instance, exposure to irritants like smoke, strong odors, or even dry air can cause a cat's throat to become irritated, leading to a raspy meow. Cats living in households with smokers or those exposed to secondhand smoke may be at a higher risk of developing respiratory issues, which can affect their vocal cords. Finally, some cats may naturally have a raspy or deep voice due to their breed or genetic makeup. Certain breeds, such as the Persian or the Scottish Fold, are known for having distinct vocalizations that can include a raspier tone. This is not necessarily a sign of illness or discomfort but rather a characteristic of the cat's unique vocal cords. In conclusion, a raspy meow in cats can arise from a variety of causes, ranging from mild, temporary conditions like stress or overuse of the vocal cords to more serious health concerns such as respiratory infections or tumors. It is important for cat owners to pay attention to any changes in their pet's vocalization, especially if the raspy meow is persistent or accompanied by other signs of illness. Regular veterinary checkups and prompt attention to any unusual behaviors can help ensure that a cat remains healthy and comfortable. By understanding the possible reasons for a raspy meow, cat owners can better support their pets and address any underlying issues that may be affecting their vocalization.